everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Belinda. Beauties, today I'm going to do some very simple Valentine's Day decor. So if you want to see how I put these together, then please keep watching. But before we get started, I'm just going to ask if you can please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also if you'll click that bell icon, right there in the corner, so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. All the items that I'll be using for these DIYs are from Dollar Tree. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using some red and white rose bouquets and also these red hearts, some heart-shaped gel stickers, some heart picks, some rose petals, 4 of these faux wood signs, some vase fillers. I ended up spray painting them white, so I'll be using these, a paintbrush, some white acrylic paint, and I'll be using this vase that I had previously used in another DIY. Both the stand and the vase are from the Dollar Tree. And I'll also be using this vase without a stand. And this style of vase. And last but not least, my glue gun. 1 white candle. Okay, so I'm going to start with the easiest DIYs. I'm going to start by filling, first of all, this vase with a candle. And then I'm going to add these gel heart stickers onto the glass vase. This is such a simple DIY, but what a transformation that you can make to just a simple glass vase. And this is how it looks with the candle on. I think it looks so pretty with the candle light shining through the gel heart. This next DIY is also super duper easy. Now what I'm going to do is just fill it up with some of these rose petals and also some of those vase fillers and also some of the heart picks. For the heart picks, I'm going to remove the stick off of them, and then I'm just going to drop the hearts inside the vase. And I'm just going to continue filling the vase with those items until I fill it all the way up to the top. It's hard to believe that such an easy DIY can make quite a statement. And here it is. I have it sitting on my coffee table, and I think it looks very pretty and also very decorative. Okay, now for the last DIY, I'm going to start by removing the hardware on these signs. So what I'm going to do with these signs is I'm going to stand all 4 in this direction. I'm going to start gluing the first 2 signs, and I've laid one down, and I'm going to put some hot glue there on one corner and then on the opposite corner, and then I'll go ahead and lift that sign up and then place it directly on top where I've placed the hot glue. And this is how it looks now that I've hot glued both of those together. Next, I'm going to hot glue the 3rd sign. And the sign love is going now on the opposite direction from the one that's right across it, as you can see. Next, I'm going to hot glue the 4th sign, and this one did give me some problems. For some reason, it didn't want to sit flush across. In the end, I still hot glued one end, and then I forced the other one down by applying some glue and then applying some force to it until it finally stuck. All was going smoothly until that last sign that gave me problems. And this is how it looks now that all the signs are hot glued together. Okay, so next I'm ready now to start painting it. When I started to paint it, I realized that I had made a mistake. I should have first painted it and then hot glued it together. But by this time, it was already too late. I just continued to use the acrylic paint to paint it. but really I should have also just used spray paint, and that way I could coat all the little cracks and crevices. So in case you decide to do this project, either use spray paint or paint the signs before and then hot glue them. And this is how it turned out, and I gave it about 2 coats. And I also painted the inside portion, and let me tell you, that was very hard to do. That's why I'm telling you that it was better if I had just used some spray paint. So just keep that in mind if you decide to do this project. Don't do the same mistake that I did. Okay, so now it's time to add the floral. So what I'm gonna do first is just slip this vase down into the center. And then I'm gonna take this bouquet of roses and I'm gonna fan them out. That way, when I slip them down into the vase, they won't sink too low. And I'm just gonna continue adding the rest of the flowers. Towards the end, I decided to add these long white stems. These are also from the Dollar Tree, but I've had these already for a while. And this is how this love vase turned out. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a blessed day, and remember, love, laugh, and create. Until next time, bye-bye, and God bless, and happy Valentine's Day.